For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an import-export business can be a highly rewarding venture, connecting markets across the globe. With AI technologies becoming more accessible, entrepreneurs can now streamline many complex steps of this business using intelligent tools. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process to launch your import-export business leveraging AI, including suggestions for relevant AI tools and example prompt text you can use to get started. Step 1. Research and choose your niche. Understanding which products you want to import or export is critical. Use AI-powered market research tools to analyze demand, competition, and trends in different regions. AI tools to use. ChatGPT or GPT-4 for brainstorming product ideas. Market research platforms like Crayon or SimilarWeb with AI insights. Google Trends powered by AI for demand forecasting. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Help me brainstorm profitable import-export product ideas based on current global demand trends and low competition. Step 2. Analyze target markets and regulations. Every country has specific import-export regulations, tariffs, and customs requirements. AI tools can assist in scanning government databases and summarizing key regulations. AI tools to use. Customs and trade AI databases like Import Genius or Panjiva. ChatGPT to summarize regulations by country. AI legal assistants like Logix to review compliance documents. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Summarize the import-export regulations, tariffs, and customs procedures for shipping electronics from China to the USA. Step 3. Create a business plan using AI. A clear business plan is essential to secure financing and outline your strategy. Use AI to draft, analyze, and refine your business plan quickly. AI tools to use. ChatGPT for drafting business plans. AI writing assistants like Jasper or WriteSonic to polish documents. Business plan generators like LivePlan with AI-driven templates. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Write a detailed business plan for an import-export company focusing on sustainable home goods sourced from Southeast Asia and sold in North America. Step 4. Source suppliers and buyers with AI assistance. Finding reliable suppliers and buyers can be time-consuming. AI tools can automate lead generation, vet suppliers, and recommend partners. AI tools to use. Alibaba's AI product recommendations. AI-powered B2B marketplaces like Global Sources. LinkedIn Sales Navigator with AI lead scoring. ChatGPT to draft inquiry emails and negotiation messages. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Draft a professional inquiry email to a supplier of eco-friendly kitchenware in Vietnam to request product catalogs and pricing. Step 5. Set up logistics and shipping. Coordinating shipping, warehousing, and customs clearance is complex. AI can optimize routes, forecast shipping times, and predict delays. AI tools to use. Freightos for AI-driven freight quotes and booking. Clear Metal or Project 44 for supply chain visibility using AI. AI chatbots for real-time shipping updates and customer support. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Explain the best shipping options for importing furniture from Poland to the United States, considering cost and delivery time. Step 6. Manage finances and payments. Handling international payments, currency exchange, and cash flow requires precision. AI-driven financial platforms can automate invoicing, risk management, and currency hedging. AI tools to use. AI accounting software like QuickBooks with AI insights. Payment platforms with AI fraud detection like Stripe Radar. Currency exchange AI tools like Say or OFX's AI analytics. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Create a cash flow forecast for the first year of an import-export business with monthly revenue of $50,000 and expenses of $35,000. Step 7. Develop marketing and sales strategies using AI. Effective marketing helps you reach buyers and grow your brand. AI can generate marketing plans, social media content, and analyze customer behavior. AI tools to use: ChatGPT or Jasper for content creation and ad copy. AI-driven marketing platforms like HubSpot or Marketo. Social media AI tools like Buffer or Hootsuite Insights. AI analytics tools to track customer engagement. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Create a 6-month digital marketing plan targeting small retailers in the U.S. interested in imported handmade crafts. Step 8. Automate customer service and communication. Prompt and clear communication improves client relations. AI chatbots and language translation tools can assist in multilingual customer service. AI tools to use: AI chatbots like Drift or Intercom. Translation tools powered by AI like DeepL or Google Translate. CRM platforms with AI capabilities such as Salesforce Einstein. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Write polite and professional responses to common customer inquiries about shipping times and product warranties. Step 9. Monitor business performance and adapt. Use AI dashboards and analytics to track sales, logistics, customer satisfaction, and market trends. This helps you adapt and optimize operations. AI tools to use: BI tools like Tableau or Power BI with AI features. AI performance analytics integrated into CRM and ERP systems. ChatGPT for generating summary reports and action plans. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Summarize the key performance metrics for an import-export business and suggest 3 strategies to improve profitability based on declining sales. Step 10. Scale your import-export business with AI insights. Once stable, leverage AI for scaling by expanding product lines, entering new markets, and automating repetitive tasks. AI tools to use: AI-powered forecasting for demand and inventory management. Predictive analytics tools for market expansion decisions. Robotic process automation, RPA, to automate paperwork and data entry. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest a plan for scaling an import-export business from North America to Europe, including product diversification and marketing tactics. Summary. Starting an import-export business can be complex, but AI technologies can simplify and accelerate every step, from market research and supplier sourcing to logistics, marketing, and scaling. Using tools like ChatGPT for drafting plans and communications, AI marketplaces for sourcing, and AI analytics for data-driven decisions will give you a competitive edge. By following these steps and integrating AI tools, you can build a lean, efficient import-export business ready to navigate global trade with confidence. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.